Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about planet of knowledge, planet of trading, planet of business. Mercury is going to change our sign from Sagittarius to Capricorn on 5th of January 2021 to 25th of Jan 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, Mercury being a lord of your 3rd and 6th house, transit in your 10th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort in the terms of your business. You will get new business opportunities. These 20 days will be a biggest game changer for you. You will get a lot of business opportunities, and there is a strong chances someone may enter in your life as your business partner. You will get a lot of advantage from there. Aries, you need to perform your best. Lot of opportunities will knock you during this transit. From 5th Jan to 25th of Jan 2021, Mercury transit in your 10th house in Kalpurash chart and 10th house from your ascendants. You will get a lot of advantage. Mouth to mouth publicity make you happy. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame. Your father will give you something as a gift or as an inheritance. If you have a good Mahadasha in your birth chart, and that is connection is good in your natal chart, like Jupiter, Mars, Mahadasha, and they have a good connection with birth chart Mercury, or birth chart Mercury, good connection with transit Mercury from 5th Jan, you will definitely blessed with a lot of business. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success related to your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendant for 5th Jan 2021, Mercury enter in Capricorn sign. Mercury enter in your 9th house from your ascendants. Your ruling planet, your 2nd and 5th lord transit in your 9th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Good fortune is in your favor. Your mud will turn in gold. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. You become very fortunate. You will get a lot of business. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity. Long distance journeys are there. Some unexpected money will make you happy. New source of earning will develop. 5th lord is in 9th house. 5th lord is in 9th house. 9th house is a 5th from 5th house, which will give you a lot of good advantage. You become very famous and popular in your circle. Your friends will support you. Your social circle will wild. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. Unexpected money will make you happy. 5th lord is in 9th house, conjunction with Jupiter, Saturn. Taurus, you need to perform your best. If you're a businessman, you will be blessed with a lot of profit at your business. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Taurus, you need to perform your best. This 20 days will be a biggest game changer. No doubt, Venus is in your 8th house. You will see a lot of up and downs. But 5th lord is very well placed. 5th lord play a big role than ascendant lord. Because 5th house is a main house of your birth chart. It's a main pillar house of your birth chart. Taurus, you need to perform your best. If you are actor, if you are doing job related to media or entertainment industry, you will sign new deal. You will be blessed with a lot of money. Your bank balance full with lot of money. Taurus, you need to perform your best and try to keep in touch with your old friends. Don't show your ego or attitude. You will be blessed with a lot of good fortune. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, Jupiter, Saturn, now Mercury enter in your 8th house, ascendant lord. Need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your father health. You need to be careful while talking with your parents. Show your respect and love to your parents. Your ascendant lord transit in your 8th house. Don't trust on anyone. Don't start anything new. Venus is very promising in your 7th house in January. Mars is very promising in 11th house. You will earn a lot of money, there is no doubt. But don't sign anything new. Don't show your trust blindly on anyone. Don't give your check to anyone. Don't give promise to anyone. Stay strong and do your best at your workplace. Your relationship and your work is on target from Saturn side. And Mercury is also joining Jupiter, Saturn in 8th house. This is not very good transit for you. You will face a lot of struggle, hurdles, delay. But Venus and Mars promising, So that's why you feel much relaxed and comfort. After struggle, after hard work, you will blessed with a success. Gemini, chant this mantra whole month January 2021. Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, 101 time, 151 time, 251 time, every day. More you chant this mantra, more you feel much relaxed and comfort. And must take blessings of your father or grandfather. Give respect to your father. Give some gift to your father as a token of love. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer for you. Gemini, January 2021, year 2021 is little bit struggling for you. You need to perform your best with your good deeds, with your sweet talks. You need to use a good words in front of elders. You need to be humble in front of your parents. Always try to keep in touch with your parents if you are living far away from your family. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Venus transit in Capricorn sign is in your 7th house. Venus is not a ruling planet, but being a 12th and 3rd lord, transit in 7th house, conjunction with Jupiter Saturn. Cancer, long distance journey seen in transit. Some partnership offers will make you happy, but don't invest your money anywhere. 7th house is a Kendra Sthan. There is strong chances for unmarried people may get companion. But long distance journeys are there. From 5th Jan to 25th of Jan 2021, you will be on another height of success. In the terms of money, in the terms of trading, you will get a lot of advantage. If you are doing any work which is linked with foreign land, you will bless with a big amount of money. Good fortune is in your favor. Cancer, you need to perform your best at your workplace, but don't show your blindly trust on anyone. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant, 11th lord and 2nd lord. Mercury transit in your 6th house with Jupiter Saturn. You need to be careful while signing any document. You will get a lot of money. There is no doubt. Unemployed people get job. If your working is not going to give good profit, your work will start giving you a lot of good profit. Leo, this is a very good time, very fruitful time, because 6th house in Kalpurash chart, Mercury is very comfortable here. You will bless with a new source of earning. You will bless with a new business partner. You will bless with a long distance journeys which will make you happy. Leo, you need to perform your best, perform your best, perform your best. You will get very fruitful result. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Virgo Ascendant, your Ascendant Lord transit in your 5th house with Jupiter Saturn. You will blessed with a lot of money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your love life will be ultimate. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. If you are not investing your money in stock market, you must invest. From 5th Jan to 25th of Jan 2021, you will be another height of success. Your love life will be excellent. Your spouse will support you. If you are planning for baby planning, this is the right time. If you are willing to start anything new, Virgo, this is the right time. In the month of Jan, you need to chant Lord Ganesha mantra Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, and must read Goddess Kali Chalisa before sleep 3 times minimum. You will feel magic in your mind. You will feel lot of good fortune is in your favor. Jupiter is already transit in your 5th house, aspecting is in your 9th house, 11th and 1st house, and your Ascendant Lord joining from 5th Jan in your 5th house, which is very well transit for you. Good fortune is in your favor. You need to perform your best. You will be top and sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Mercury is in your 4th house. There is strong chances to start some new business partnership. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury aspecting is on your 7th house. You will get blessed with a business partner. There is a strong chances for long-term business associates or long-term business partner will enter in your life. If you are investing your money, you will get fruitful results. But you need to perform your best at your workplace. You need to perform your best at your work, at your business, in your job. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. They are demanding some more attention and more hard work from your side. Libra, you need to perform your best. You will definitely get good result at the end of this month because your ascendant lord is in 3rd house. Jupiter Saturn is in 4th house with Mercury. You need to perform your best. Mercury will give you lot of good opportunity to making money. How to multiply money? This is the Mercury knows very well. So Mercury is beneficiary planet for you, Libra. You will blessed with a lot of good profits. If you are already investing your money in stock, Libra, if you are already investing your money in stock market, you will blessed with a good amount of money. If you are not investing, you must invest. You will get very good fruitful results in near future. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Mercury transit in your 3rd house. You will get good news through communications. Some email will make you happy. Some phone call will make you happy. Mercury transit in your 3rd house, being a 11th lord and 8th lord transit in the 3rd house. Your younger siblings will help you. Jupiter Saturn Mercury conjunction is in your 3rd house. It will give you very fruitful result. Your confidence level will be top. Some short distance and long distance journeys will make you happy. If you are planning for PR, this is the right time. If you are planning to start something new, this is the ultimate time. Scorpio, a biggest change will knock you in January 2021, 5th Jan to 25th of Jan. Mars is in your 6th house, Venus is in your 2nd house. Your finances will be excellent. You will get a lot of money. You may spend your money on luxury. You may buy new vehicle. You may invest your money in stock market or real estate. 5th lord, 4th lord, 11th lord is in your 3rd house with 3rd house lord. Good fortune is in your favor. You will have lot of courage and willpower. And due to your willpower, you will create some magic at your workplace. Your seniors will satisfy from your performance. You will be sky high and top. You are performing your best and you feel much relaxed and comfort. Scorpio, this is the ultimate transit for you. You should take advantage of this wonderful period. Do your best, perform your best. You will be top. And I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius, Mercury enter in your 2nd house with Jupiter and Saturn. New business offers will knock you, but you need to be careful about your health. Don't eat market food or oily food. Give some respect to your elders at your home, male elders. Take blessings of your father and grandfather. Relationship with your spouse will be under shadow. Give your best to your life partner. Try to give some gift to show your love to your spouse or your loved one. Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn is in your 2nd house. Your savings will rise. You will earn a lot of money. You may earn money through commission. If you are LIC agent or if you are any type of dealing with any type of brokerage or you are any type of commission agent, you will be blessed with a lot of success. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Sagittarius, is a fruitful time to making money. Try to do your best. You will earn a lot of money. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury is in your 1st house. 5th Jan to 25th of Jan, Mercury transit in your 1st house. You will be another height of success. You will feel a lot of good time with your family and friend. Your spouse will help you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will feel much relaxed and positive energy. Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn create a Dhani Yoga in your birth chart in 1st house. Some unexpected finances will make you happy. Your source of earning will develop. New friends will enter in your life. New source of earning will enter in your life. New business partner will enter in your life. Because Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury 7th aspect is on your 7th house. Your love life will be excellent. You will feel very good energy with your loved one. You try to be in touch with your spouse with a polite talks. Give your love, show your love to your loved one, to your husband, to your spouse. You will feel much relaxed and better compared to 2020. Jan 2021 will be ultimate month for your personal relationship as well as professional life. You will enjoy lot of money, lot of successful moment you will enjoy. I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury enter in your 12th house. 12th house, which is you can say some unexpected expenditures will create some problem. You will earn money, there is no doubt, but far away place from your land. But unexpected expenditures will create problem in your savings. Don't spend your money too much. Try to save your money. Must go for the medical charity on Saturday. Must read Goddess Kali Chalisa before you sleep. Try to do in a good relationship. Be humble, be polite, and focus on your spending money. Don't overspend. Long distance journeys are there. If you are willing to PR, if you are willing for settlement in foreign land, you will blessed with the PR, you will blessed with the work permit. You will get a lot of advantage. You will spend very good time with your family and friends. Foreign journeys will make you happy. But savings and unexpected expenditures will create unbalancing situation in your life. In the month of Jan 2021, don't spend your money in January 2021 without any reason. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury now enter in your 11th house. Your source of earning will develop. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Your siblings will support you. You will get contact with higher authority. If you're willing for any loan, your loan will be granted. You will bless with a lot of success. 5th Jan to 25th of Jan, month of Jan will be ultimate for you Pisces. You just need to perform your best and focus on your things. You will be sky high and top. More you put your efforts at your workplace, more you achieve very good things. Your work life will be excellent. You will get some unexpected money from your workplace. You will get a lot of success from your workplace. You will feel very positive energy. New opportunities will knock you. Your desires will be fulfilled. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha, you will feel much relax and comfort during 5th Jan to 25th of Jan. You just need to put your efforts. I'm telling you again and again, 2021 will be a biggest positive year for Pisces for you. 11th house is a house of materialistic gains, spirituality, intuitions, elder siblings, desires, wishes, hopes, goals. And Jupiter, Saturn, biggest solar system planet, whole year transit in your 11th house. And month of Jan, Mercury enter in your 11th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Source of earning will develop. Savings will rise. Unexpected money will knock you. Lot of business partners are trying to start business with you. Pisces, this is a very promising period for you. If you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha in your birth chart, if you have a good planet placement in your natal chart, must consult with your nearest astrologer. You will definitely get fantastic results after the advice of any astrologer. Pisces, need to perform your best. Thank you for watching my video. Happy New Year 2021. Praying for your happy life and long age of your elders, and praying for lot of success for every zodiac sign. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.